Hello and welcome to our new video. On this video I'll be showing you one board which is not so oftenly found. It's pretty rare. The markings are CA64-TC. It comes with an ISA slot and 5 PCI slots plus 1 universal AGP slot. I just want to note that this graphic card is here just for testing purposes and it's not included in the package, as well as the power on switch, which is here, and the CD-ROM. This particular mainboard comes with 256 megabytes of RAM. We will now turn it on. As you can see, it's all working fine. Just gonna turn off the light here. Okay, so it's Celeron 900MHz. We will reboot the PC and boot it from the CD-ROM here. I just noticed I did not plug in the power molex to the CD-ROM. We're now booting again. Okay, we're gonna enter setup just to make our boot sequence to the... Okay, let's now boot from CD-ROM. It's starting to boot. Okay, we're gonna use the mini Windows XP. Okay, so we're here. I did not connect the mouse, but we'll do it like this. We'll open some system reading program just to show you what's there. Okay, programs, system information. Let's use this one. It's loading from CD-ROM, so that's why it's taking time to open. Okay. Let's wait for it to load. Okay. Let's see. System summary. You can see the product name, manufacturer of the chip, amount of RAM that it's there. Okay, it's North and South bridge, and model name of the motherboard, maximum capacity of the motherboard, BIOS version, CPU info. As we said, it's 900 MHz, and the memory stats. Anyway, as you can see, the motherboard is working as it should. The battery has been replaced. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in buying this gem, hop to our eBay. Bye!